10, 9,
And the
8,
final seconds.
7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon spacecraft, carrying research seeking to improve human health on Earth and in space.
Stage 1 propulsion phenomenal.
Urine chip, AOS.
Power and telemetry are nominal.
Vehicle is supersonic. Vehicle is experiencing maximum aerodynamic pressure.
So there are a couple really important calls: maximum dynamic pressure and exceeding supersonic speeds. So all good things, and we heard a nominal call on telemetry.
MVAC chill.
Just meaning things are going well. Also the MVAC chill, that's the second stage. There's a single Merlin vacuum engine, and that's begun its chilling process in preparation for its portion of the flight here in just a minute. In about 20 seconds or so, we're expecting to hear the call for MECO, our main engine cutoff.
And then just a few seconds after that, we're going to get some separation.
So there you saw the MECO.
MECO.
And that's the stage separation.
Stage
Tough
separation confirmed.
Tough to see exactly
Stage
what happened
1.
there. Oh, there we see some action. So the first stage has now begun it just did its boost back burn, and the MVAC engine has ignited.
Stage 1 landing burn has started.
Stage 2 has entered terminal guidance.
Landing legs have deployed.
Stayed.
Of course, I still love you. Falcon 9 has landed. Landing operators move into procedure 11.100 on recovery 1 and ECF 9.
Acquisition of signal, Newfoundland.
Dragon separation confirmed.
This is Dragon CC on countdown 1. Dragon separation has been confirmed. And Dragon is deploying its solar arrays.